Hi there. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a bracelet. It may be a gift for the mom or for the dad, or maybe a graduation gift for the friend. So let's get started. To make this, we need multiple dollar bill note. So here I have one. Let's go started with fold the bill note in half. Alright, fold the upper edge to the down edge and make a crease. And now you can see it. Fold the view horizontally again, in half of course, and make the crease easily. So this model is very simple. And now you turn it over, and here you fold the view in half again, but in vertically. Put the finger on the tip and gently give it a push. Open it, and here you have the center point, and fold the two edges to the center point. Let's do it with the right side. Sorry, it's the left side. Okay. Make the crease again. And now do the same thing with the right side. And now you fold the model in half again. See? You have a piece of paper, a piece of dollar bill. So now we need around maybe 10 or maybe 15, depend on what you want. If you want to make a bracelet for the hand, it maybe take around 7 to 10 piece of paper. But if you wish to make it like a crown, so you can wear it, it's maybe need around 20. Yeah. And now I have four like this, and you open one side and two sides. Okay, you can see. And you take another one and you tuck it in. Yeah, make a tuck on this. Okay, and here you can see how I can link the module together. Yeah, and now you open it again. Take one module, push it in like this. Alright. And you have the desk shape. Open it again and put it into it. Yeah. Okay. So you will have the zigzag shape. And now here you are. You have around 8 like this, and you come up with two, maybe you have to finish this, and you will make a lock. And now you take two sides of the piece, open it, tuck it in, put the model in, and then you tuck the edge into it. Okay. If you feel the video is too fast, you can make a pause, or you can adjust the video speed to 0.5. It will help you easier to see what am I doing. Alright, tuck it inside. This step may be a little bit tricky, but you can take a time and patience so you can make the model look very nice. So I always make this model to give my friend or to give my brother in his graduation day, and he's very happy. Alright, here you have bracelet. Yeah, you can wear it like this. Really nice, right? Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. So if you have any comment or what you don't understand, you can comment below and I will support and answer the question. See you in the next video.